Good morning and welcome back dito sa page natin. My name is Professor Excel and today pag-uusapan natin kung paano tayo mag-edit ng multiple sheets. Now, in our example, may apat tayo na sheets: house, car loan, sheet 2, and business loan. Now, gusto natin maglagay ng the same footer sa tatlong sheets: yung house, yung car loan, tsaka yung business loan. However, yung footer na to ay hindi natin ilalagay dito sa sheet number 2. So to do this, kailangan nating i-highlight or gawing active yung mga sheets na gusto nating i-edit. Sa example natin, kailangan nating gawing active sheet si house, si car loan, and business loan. Now, to do this, kailangan mo lang i-click yung isang sheet and then press Control and then i-click mo yung another sheet. Now, in this example, yung sheet na house and yung sheet na car loan are both active sheets. Press Control again and then click natin yung business loan. So yung tatlong sheets, house, car loan, and business loan are all active sheets. Now pwede na natin gawin yung pag-edit natin. So here, maglagay tayo ng footer. Ang ilalagay natin is yung page number, space, lagay tayo ng word na off, space, tapos yung number of pages. So makikita natin, may nagawa na tayong footer dito na 1 of 2. Here, gusto kong maglagay ng sheet name upang malaman natin kung anong yung report na naipiprint natin. And since magkaiba yung mga sheet name ng tatlong sheets natin, expected natin na magkaiba din yung lalabas dito. So here, lagay natin sheet name. Now, kung makikita natin, ang lumabas dito ay house and ang lumabas dito is yung page number. Now, take note na once lang natin ginawa yung footer natin. However, since tatlo yung sheets na naka-active, yung editing natin dito ay nandito na din sa kabilang sheet. Car loan, 1/2. And sa business loan. Ito yung kagandahan ng ginawa natin. Kahit once lang tayo nag-edit, lalabas siya sa lahat ng sheets na naging active. Now, be careful sa tool na to kasi this is very powerful. Kasi once nag-edit ka ng kahit ano sa isang sheet, like for example, maglalagay tayo dito na prof. And nakalimutan mo na madami pala yung active sheets. Once na-edit mo yan, expected na lahat ng sheets na naka-active ay lalabas yung edited mo. Now, for example, gusto mong i-delete yung isang item dito sa business loan na sheet. For example, ito, i-delete natin. Or gawin natin tong 10 million. Ayan. So, binago natin yung principal ng business loan. However, nakalimutan mo na tatlo pala yung naging active sheets. So, once tignan mo yung ibang sheets, ayan, nagbago din yung principal to 10 million. So, ibig sabihin, may magandang maidudulot yung tool na ito. However, you need to be careful kasi baka may tatamaan kang mga formulas or values na hindi dapat i-edit. So, yan po yung topic natin for today. I hope may natutunan po tayo. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, subscribe na po kayo. And until next time, again, my name is Professor Excel. Good morning.